Good evening, students. Today I am going to discuss about one more important question. Chapter is areas related to circles. So in the question given, sides of a right triangular field are 25 meter, 24 meter and 7 meter. So its hypotenuse is 25 meter and perpendicular side is 24 meter and base is 7 meter. At three corners of the field, a cow, buffalo and horse. Cow, buffalo and horse are tied and the rope, length of rope is 3.5 meter. So it is in the form of quadrant. So this is the radius, 3.5 meter is the radius of each quadrant. So we need to find the area of a quadrant. So what is the area of a quadrant? So here an angle is formed. Okay, so formula is area of sector. We need to area of sector, that is called theta by 360 into pi r square. So each has a sector. This is this angle plus this angle plus this angle. So three angles of a triangle. We know that three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle B plus angle C plus angle H equal to 180 degree. So we need to find area of field grazed by three animals equal to the area that is grazed by cow is angle C by 360 into pi r square plus angle B by 360 into pi r square plus angle H by 360 into pi r square. If we take common pi r square, then angle C by 360 plus angle B by 360 plus angle H by 360 pi here in the question it is given that we will take 22 by 7. Okay, we will take 22 by 7 and the radius here it is given 3.5. So that will be 7 by 2. So angle C plus angle B plus angle H by 360 degree. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Angle C plus B plus H we have written 180 degree. So into 180 by 360 degree. So 180 2s are 360. Cancel 2, 11. So 7 7s are 49. 49, 7 will be cancelled. 11 7s are 77 by 4. 77 by 4. So 4 1s are 4. 3 7, 4 9s are 36. 1 0, 4 2s are 8, 2 0, 4 5 are 20. So 19.25 meter square. So area of a field grazed by three animals is 19.25 meter square. Then we need to find area of triangle. area of triangle equal to half into base into height. So half into 7 meter into height is 24 meter. So 12 7 is 84 meter square. Then lastly we need to find area of the field that cannot be grazed by these animals. The area that is shaded here. So required area equal to area of triangle minus area of field grazed by the animals. So that equal to 84 meter square minus 19.25 meter square. So that will 64.75 meter square remain. Okay, you need to find, don't be confused where to, no angle is given in the question, but you have to use here angle sum property of a triangle. Then you will be, this part will be solved.